Assalamualaikum dear students. Hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Naima Akhtar Tisha, Assistant Teacher Science, Morning Shift of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take class 8 science class based on chapter 1. Let's start our class. Look here. It is our topic is today's topic chapter 1 and is half yearly, is a part of half yearly syllabus. Here my phone number and messenger ID or Facebook ID has been given. If you face any problem or you need any help, then you can communicate with me. Let's start the class. Our chapter 1 name is Classification of Animal World. In your previous class, that is in 6 and in 7, you have learned about the classification of living world. But as you are now in class 8, so it is little advanced. In this class, you will learn about the classification of animal world. Let's start. At first, what is taxonomy? Branch of science that deals with classification of organisms and related principles. That means the branch of science in which the classification of living organism is discussed is known as taxonomy. Then what is classification? Stepwise grouping of living world is known as classification. That means if you it is one kind of system through which you can classify the whole world, whole living world. Now, who is the father of taxonomy? Carolus Linnaeus is called the father of taxonomy. Carolus Linnaeus is called the father of taxonomy. Now, from this taxonomy, one word can derive taxon, T-A-X-O-N, taxon. From taxonomy, one word can derive taxon. Taxon or taxa. What is taxon or taxa? Singular from is taxon, plural from is taxa. In classifying the organisms, confined units or ranks are used in taxonomy, which is called taxa. Look here, when you want to classify any organism, you have to follow this rank or these units. There are 7 units: kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus and species. These are the taxa. These are the 7 taxa. Singly they are taxon, one by one, and commonly they are the taxa. So, when you want to give any organism scientific name, then you have to follow these steps. And kingdom is the highest unit or rank of classification, and species is the lowest or smallest unit of classification. Why here it is classification of animal world? I am discussing about what is taxonomy, what is classification, what is taxa. But why? Why we have to learn it? Why? How they help us? Let's see. Necessity of classification. Classification is essential to identify any animal, including the newly discovered one. That means it helps to identify any organism. Interrelationship between different animals can be determined with the help of classification. Suppose if we consider any cat group, then tiger are also under cat and normal cat are also under cat group. Then when we consider them, easily we can get some special characteristic which are common between them. That's why that is the interrelationship. Through classification we can get about this, get an idea about this. We can determine the systematic position distribution of the organism according to the evolutionary chart. That means you have learned about 5 kingdom system. At first the kingdom 1 is Monera and they are primitive, and gradually one by one comes advanced, and animal are the most advanced. So through classification you can understand the evolutionary trend. Organism can be arranged into different taxa by following definite rules, and I have already shown you it is useful to determine the collective and systematic knowledge about organism. Yes, if we collect them, then after long time, suppose recently one new species is discovered, but if the all information from the beginning is stored, then if we match with them, we can understand whether this species is really new species or it was present in previous time, but recently it is again discovered. Now let's see the classification, main classification. Living world. Living world is divided into 2 super kingdom. Super kingdom 1 and super kingdom 2. First one is prokaryota and super kingdom 2 is eukaryota. Prokaryota is the primitive one. It's this super kingdom organism nucleus is not oil developed, and eukaryota, this super kingdom organisms nucleus is oil developed. Depending on nucleus structure, living world is divided into prokaryota and eukaryota. Then prokaryota, under prokaryota, 1 kingdom, Monera. And under eukaryota there are 4 kingdoms: Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. And in your class 6 and 7 you have learned about 5 kingdoms. In previous you have learned togetherly Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. But here I have shown the main classification. First one is super kingdom 1, 2. Prokaryota, eukaryota. Under prokaryota kingdom Monera, under eukaryota 4 another kingdom Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. In our class, in class 8 or in your book, our main topic is Animalia, about Animalia, about kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Animalia is divided into 9 phylum. It is another step, 9 phylum. I have shown you, look, at first it is kingdom. Look here, at first it is kingdom. That means now I am describing about Animalia kingdom. Then I show you phylum. I will going to describe about phylum now. Look here, there are 9 phylum under Animalia. First one, Porifera. Phylum 2, Nidaria. Phylum 3, Platyhelminthes. Number 4, Nematoda. Number 5, Annelida. Number 6, Arthropoda. Arthropoda is the largest phylum among the living world. Number 7, Mollusca. Number 8 is Echinodermata. And number 9, last one is Chordata. Among these 9 phyla, first 8 are invertebrate. First 8 are invertebrate. First 8 are invertebrate. This chordata is vertebrate. This chordata is divided into another subphylum. 3 subphylum: Urochordata, Cephalochordata and Vertebrata. This Vertebrata is divided into class, several kind of class. See here, how many class? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This Vertebrata is divided into 7 class. What are they? Let's see. Cyclostomata, Condycthys, Osteichthyes, Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves, last one Mammalia. So let's again see the living world. Super kingdom 1, super kingdom 2. Prokaryota, eukaryota. Under prokaryota Monera, under eukaryota Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. This Animalia kingdom divided into 9 another phylum. First 8 are invertebrate, last one chordata is vertebrate. This chordata is divided into another 3 subphylum. The subphylum vertebrata is again divided into 7 class. Dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Your board book will be given within this week. Till then you can, if you want, you can download your PDF of board book and you can practice at home. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.